Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad Go 2 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find System and Update. Then let's tap on Date and Time, which is right here. And now let's tap on this switcher here to turn off the time that is set automatically, because now we can freely tap on date and change it by swiping. The same situation with the time, just swipe and it will be immediately applied. Here you can change the time format, so just tap on it and you can either tap on 12-hour format or 24-hour one. You can also change the time zone, just tap on it, and here we've got the full list. So simply find yours and tap on it, it will be immediately applied. Here you can also use dual clock, just tap on this switcher to turn it on. And basically your device will display two different clocks, and the first one with the time from the place you're currently in, and the second one with the place of your choice. And you can decide how you'd like to display the dual clock, so on the lock screen, home screen, or both. Alright, so to get back to previous options, so the automatic options, simply tap on the switcher right here to use the automatic time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.